kiya annago kumun mana Mumbai, this is Papon and I'm super excited to tell you that I'm going to come and perform at the first ever mega Bodoland Mohotsov, which is going to be organized in New Delhi on the 15th and 16th of November at the Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium. This is going to be huge. It's going to be really vibrant, which is going to celebrate the Bodo culture, literature, language, the amazing Bodo cuisine, the exotic food, and the culture, dance. This is really going to be vibrant and really exciting. So I'm going to perform on the 16th of November. Hope to see you all there. Annago kumu